Hi, it's Hinda and welcome to Cooking Fantasies. If you're new to my channel, I make recipe demonstration videos each week and I hope you join me by subscribing to my channel. In today's video, we'll be making a very easy yet very delicious recipe, blueberry muffins with crumble. This is something you can throw together in about 10 minutes tops, but the results are outstanding. These muffins are so moist and delicious, and I'm sure you will adopt this recipe as soon as you try it. So all you will be needing for this recipe is a bowl, a whisk and a spatula. You're not going to be needing any mixers or machines. And very important, the eggs should be in room temperature. The recipe with all the ingredients you will be needing, I will leave down in the description box in both grams and cups measurements. So let's get baking. So in a bowl, mix together the eggs, sugar, and vanilla sugar or vanilla extract, whatever you prefer to use, and whisk everything together for not more than 3 minutes, only till all the sugar is well incorporated. And as you can see, as soon as your eggs and sugar starts getting foamy and the color is turning a little bit pale, add the milk and whisk it again to mix it with the rest of the ingredients. Then add the butter that you have already melted and allowed it to cool down. Now to mix the dry ingredients, add the baking powder and the salt to the flour and mix everything together. And then add these dry ingredients to the wet ones in about 2 to 3 goes while mixing. You shouldn't overmix it, so stop whisking as soon as you don't see any flour lumps anymore. And as you can see, the batter has quite a thick texture. Now it's time to add our blueberries. And finally, throw in your blueberries and fold them into the batter using just a spatula. I used, of course, fresh ones, but you can as well use add frozen blueberries. But you have to be quick as they should be still frozen when they go into the oven. And then start directly filling your muffin paper cups or muffin liners, and you're gonna need for about 1/3 to 1/2 cup of butter per muffin. And as you can probably see, I used double paper cups because I think that they stay more stable, and I also put some rice on the bottom of my baking tray before putting the paper cups. I think the rice helps them to bake more evenly and also prevents them from bending on the sides. And for the crumble, it's very easy. Mix together the sugar, flour, and the cold butter cut into small cubes, preferably. And use the tips of your fingers to kind of work the flour into the butter. Don't overwork it till the butter melts, and you don't want to work it into a dough kind of shape. It's ready when not all the flour but almost all the flour is incorporated into the butter and you achieve a kind of wet sand texture. And then start generously adding as much as you can on the top of each muffin. The oven should be preheated to 175 degrees Celsius, that's 347 degrees Fahrenheit, and they will need about 35 minutes to bake, and you can see they will become nice golden brown on the top. And there you are. As easy as this recipe is, the result is amazing. Both the texture and the flavors are really amazing, and they will stay moist and delicious even after 3 days if you manage to keep them for so long. And of course, if you still have any questions regarding the recipe, don't hesitate to ask me down below in the comment section and I will get back to you. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you soon with a new baking recipe, and happy baking!